Family, what is up? So in this episode, I'm going to be discussing how to gain 1,000 followers in 1 month on Instagram and just overall how to grow your Instagram account in 2021. Now listen guys, if you're in the US, you already know how treacherous Instagram is right now. Hashtags aren't working because of this stupid election. Engagement is just down on the platform in general. But if you follow all of my tips and strategies, you can still grow your Instagram account right now. So you want to make sure that you watch the full video and don't miss any of the tips, because you want to make sure that you're utilizing every tip in this video to grow as fast as possible. I'm gonna try not to hold y'all for too long, okay? So let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so I know you probably don't want to hear this, okay? So don't shoot the messenger, but listen, you have to be consistent on the platform if you want to grow. Now, I know, right? Sounds crazy, right? But you have to be consistent. Like if you are not posting on Instagram at least 3 to 5 times a day, you gotta be giving people breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You gotta be feeding these people your content if you really wanna grow 1,000 followers in 1 month. There is literally no way around it, okay? And if that's not the type of dedication that you want to put into Instagram, then that's cool. Instagram is not for everybody. It's not that deep. Everybody doesn't need 10K followers. But if you're really trying to grow your brand or business, or if you just want to be an influencer, you need to be on the platform a lot. Instagram favors you and your account if you're posting a lot. So you definitely want to be consistent. You definitely want to be posting on your feed and your stories as much as possible, okay? Now in 2021, you're definitely gonna have to rethink how you use Instagram, okay? Gone are the days to where you can just post a picture, say your little cute little caption, and voila, your Instagram account is gonna blow up. It doesn't work that way. You're going to have to put thought into not only your creative, which is the content that you're posting, but also, you know, the audience that you're serving as well. Instagram is definitely a relationship platform. How are you building relationships through your content with your target audience? Okay, so that is something that you definitely are going to want to think about before you even post. And if you're just starting a brand new account, you definitely want to think about your niche and your target audience before you even create the account. Everything matters on Instagram, down to what you name your account, down to your description and your bio, like all that stuff matters. So I want you to think about, before you even post or create your account, if you haven't already created it, you know, who are you serving? What type of content do you want to create? What is the end result? Like, what do you want to bring to people? What type of value do you want to bring to people from your Instagram account? Okay. And then once you have that framework, start creating content to serve your audience. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, okay, Tonio, I need to post consistently. I got it. I got to feed people, right? 3 to 5 posts a day. I need to be intentional about the content that I'm posting, right? I get all that, but I feel like I've been doing that, okay? You may have, but you might have been missing these key strategies to expedite the growth. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to make sure that you have your hashtags down. So if you're in the US, hashtags pretty much suck right now, but still use them because if you have followers outside of the US, they can still see your post. Okay, so still use hashtags. Do not give up on hashtags. Still use them even if you're in the US. And then also, you need to be following the major hashtags in your niche. And why this is important, because you can see other people in your niche and see what they're creating, see what's resonating with your audience, and you know, use that as inspiration. Don't copy, but you can use those posts as inspiration to better gauge the type of content that you need to be creating. And then also, you need to be following these accounts. You need to be following these accounts and be active within the community. Like I said, gone are the days where you can just post and voila, you blow up. Like, you have to be active. You know, talk to their followers, answer questions. You know, you have to go the extra mile, especially in 2021, if you want to grow your account, okay? Now, if you want to learn my exact hashtag strategies and the hashtag strategies I use and how I do hashtag research, check out this video right here, because in that video, I discuss everything about hashtags on Instagram. So the two best things that you could do for your Instagram accounts right now, especially if you're trying to grow organically, is to utilize IG Live, and especially if you collaborate with other creators, it's definitely a very, very good way to grow your account. And then also IG Reels, okay? But I wanna talk about IG Live real quick because I've utilized that for my own Instagram account, especially over the last couple of months. Now, IG Live is really, really dope. Reason being is that when you use IG Live, it sends out notifications to every single one of your followers that is active at the moment. And especially if you're trying to build a brand or business, because if you're on this channel, I'm assuming you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur, or you're trying to grow your brand or business online, IG Live is a really, really good way to do it, okay? So when you go live, you're building know, like, and trust. So for me, I talk about YouTube and entrepreneurship. When people can see my face, they can see me talking, they can comment, they can ask me questions. It just builds a better relationship with my brand. I can build more authority quicker, okay? And then when you combine that with, getting somebody else on there with you. So if you do collaborations with your IG Live, not only are you pulling from your audience, right? You're pulling from somebody else's. So the power of, IG Live is endless. I would definitely think about collaborating with people in your niche as much as possible. And it doesn't matter if they're smaller, bigger, whatever. Whenever you have an opportunity to get in front of somebody else's audience, you're definitely winning, okay? And then two, you can also sell on there, man. So depending on your audience size, right? You can always put links to your digital products and services. You can put your Cash App in there. Like, literally, there's so many different things that you can do for your account to not only grow your audience, but also, get some income and monetize your Instagram as well. Now, let's talk about IG Reels for a second too, because IG Reels is honestly, in my personal opinion, the best way to grow right now, okay? Because pretty much Instagram is trying to get TikTok out of the way. They don't like TikTok. Facebook owns Instagram. Facebook wants to be the big dog at all times, and they see TikTok as a threat. So what they're doing is they're incentivizing all the reach, all the organic traffic right now to Reels to get you not to post on TikTok, okay? And why that is great for creators, because listen, your discoverability on IG Reels is crazy right now. So if you're not using IG Reels, definitely get on it ASAP, okay? Because the reach that I've been getting with my Reels, even short and simple ones, is pretty much half my account. I have around 3,000 followers right now, because I'm not super duper active on Instagram. I'm focusing more on YouTube. But, the IG Reels that I have posted have exploded. So definitely check out IG Reels, especially if you have a smaller account, because you're definitely going to get a lot of reach with IG Reels more than anything else right now. Now, you can run Instagram ads to grow your account as well, but I don't honestly recommend it. Instagram ads are more for people that are trying to sell a product or service, and then the byproduct of you getting money from your product or service, you are building know, like, and trust, so people may follow your account as well. But it's not a very good strategy just to build your Instagram alone, solely on Instagram or Facebook ads. Overall, I hope these strategies help you grow your following on Instagram. However, I do want to let you guys know that vanity metrics in and of themselves do not matter. Focus on the quality of followers that you have, not the quantity, okay? So definitely build your relationships on Instagram, especially if you're an entrepreneur or brand or business. It doesn't matter to have 10K followers if nobody is liking your posts, if no one is engaging with your posts, right? And if nobody's gonna buy your products or services. So find your target audience. Every niche is different and every niche has a different ceiling, okay? So enjoy the platform, do your thing, create great content, and people are going to find you. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs it up. Until next time, be easy.